Hello there and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to enable or disable SteamGuard and deauthorize devices. Start by opening up Steam. Next, go to Settings by clicking on Steam in the top left corner. In the Settings menu, click on Security. After that, choose Manage SteamGuard. Here you see all of the SteamGuard options. Get SteamGuard codes from the Steam mobile app on my phone is the best level of security. You can also do a lot of other things via the Steam app, like start a download or update for your PC from there if your PC is turned on. The second option is get SteamGuard codes by email. If you want to log into Steam on a new device, you will have the type in a code received by email. You can also turn off SteamGuard. Beware, for some options in Steam like Steam Family Share, SteamGuard has to be enabled. Finally, to deauthorize all devices, click on this button right here. To deauthorize some devices, you will have to install the Steam mobile app. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.